Mastering email etiquette. Reply all, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to demystify a very common but often misunderstood feature in email communication, the reply all function. Understanding when and how to use it can save you from some embarrassing situations and make your email interactions smoother. So, let's jump right in. When you receive an email that has been sent to multiple people, you have two basic options for responding. You can reply, or you can reply all. To reply all means to respond to every person that was included in the original email. This can be both the people in the to field as well as those who were CC'd, which stands for carbon copy, on the email. Using reply all means that everyone will see your response, not just the person who sent the original message. It's a powerful tool for keeping all relevant parties in the loop on a conversation, but it's also a tool that should be used sparingly and judiciously. Now, let's talk about when to use reply all. This function is perfect for group discussions where everyone needs to stay updated on the conversation. For example, when coordinating an event or meeting with a group, when discussing a project with your team, when you need to share information that is relevant to all the recipients. But it's crucial to consider if your message is truly relevant for every person in the email. If it's not, stick to a simple reply. Despite its usefulness, reply all can lead to some tricky situations. Here are a few pitfalls to avoid. Overloading inboxes. If you reply all too often, you risk filling up others' inboxes with messages they don't need. Embarrassing mistakes. Accidentally sharing a message with a group that was meant for one person can be embarrassing or even compromising. Unnecessary noise. Sometimes, reply all creates a lot of noise or irrelevant information that can distract and annoy people. Remember, before you hit reply all, ask yourself, does everyone need to see this? Here are a few tips to use reply all effectively and responsibly. Be selective. Only use reply all when it's clear that your message is relevant for everyone. Keep it professional. Since reply all reaches a large audience, keep your tone and content professional. Check the recipients. Always double-check who is in the to and CC fields before replying to all. Following these practices will help you communicate more efficiently and avoid common email faux pas. And that's a wrap on reply all. I hope this video clears up when and how to use this feature effectively. Remember, using reply all wisely shows that you're considerate and respectful of others' time and inboxes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English language tips. See you in the next video.